Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. Today I'm going to discuss about my experience of the COVID-19 vaccine in Dubai, UAE. In the Dubai, COVID-19 vaccine available is the Pfizer one also, as well as the Sinopharm, as well as the Russian vaccine, the Sputnik vaccine. And many people already got either of this vaccine. What I'm going to discuss today is about the process how I got vaccinated in the Dubai UAE. In the Dubai, you get the COVID-19 vaccine by two routes. One is the SEHA, another one is the Dubai Health Authority DHA Vaccination Center. I got the vaccine through the SEHA route. To get the vaccination from the SEHA route, you have to download the application of the SEHA. I'm going to put the link in the description box how to download the application of the SEHA and how to take the appointment on the SEHA that I'm going to discuss in this video. First, you have to take the appointment through the SEHA application. You download the SEHA application and take the appointment. If you don't want to do that one, then you can go directly to the center and you can get the vaccine itself. But it may take a longer time because you will be considered as a walk-in patient. After the downloading the SEHA application, you took the appointment through the SEHA application. Then you can choose the center on which center you want to go for the vaccination. In the application itself, there will be the choice of the vaccination center and the timing. So both you will get on the SEHA application itself. I advise to go early for the vaccinations because there will be the less queue. I got the vaccination through the Dubai Park and Resort Center. My appointment time was around 9:15. We went there somewhere around 8:15. There was a crowd, but the crowd was there till the center. After that, it will get dispersed into the appointment patients, non-appointment patients, and the second dose patient. Once you will enter to the center, you will be provided the number, the token number, or your queue number, and based on the queue number, you have to pass through 3 stages. First stage will be the registration, where the person will be sitting, will ask all your details. You have to carry your Emirates ID along with you because a lot of things depends on your Emirates ID. Then the second stage will be the assessment, physical assessment that is getting done in the another booth. For the ladies, they do the pregnancy test by the urine, and the third stage is for the vaccinations. All these 3 stages went very smooth, very nicely prepared by the UAE government. You have to sign the consent form. There will be the one consent form, and after the vaccination, you will be provided one file like that. That is telling that in that one there is your consent form is there, and you will get provided one vaccination card like this. There is a COVID vaccination card, and you will get provided the second dose date as well. So on the second dose, you have to again go and you have to get vaccinated. The vaccine which I got is the Sinopharm vaccine, Chinese vaccine made in the Wuhan. There are 2 doses of it, and it is an intramuscular vaccine. It is given on the arm. On the first day, yes, I feel little bit about body pain, some headache, little bit sore throat. Those are the common side effects of the any vaccine of the COVID-19. But later on, after 24 hours, I didn't feel anything. I am discussing with you, that means I am fine. I didn't feel any side effect of any vaccine. I hope this information must be useful to you. Now I am going to show you how to take the appointment on the SEHA application. Now I am going to show you how to take the appointment on the SEHA app. This is the SEHA app. Tap on that one. Now you can see in the middle COVID-19 vaccine appointment. Tap on that one. Now these are the centers available. You can tap any center which you like. You can tap, and now you can go to the book an appointment. Here you enter the details and you save it. Yes, then you will be able to get the appointment. Thank you very much. I hope this video must be useful to you. You can share with your friends so that they know how to take the appointment on the COVID-19 vaccine, and how to go and how to take the COVID-19 vaccine. But even after the vaccination, yes, you have to take the precautions. You have to wear the mask. You have to maintain the social distancing, and the hand wash is very important. So all the precautions of the COVID-19 you have to take even after the vaccination. We are still not out of the pandemic, so stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.